Now let's count the field down from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Throw those flags. Here we go. Start demolition no reaction. Alex Vesco gets the first hit in the SFM 89.3. Tim Stein, number 24, Andrew Stein out of Zulu, Indiana. The Stein out of Metal Salvage 89. Ryan Everett, CJ. John Everett in the 303. And Josh Everett in the number 27 in the arena here. Crashing and mashing on this Saturday night here. Josh Everett looks over his right shoulder, pushes back on number 24. Tim Stein, here comes Alex. Alex Vesco makes the hit of the CJ car of Ryan Everett. Now the 303. John Everett, he comes out of the south end arena, going to go after the 89, hard into the right side. And the 89-3 of Alex Vesco. Now Vesco makes the turn, comes back down south end arena. Out of Fort Wayne, but picking up some sponsorship out of Toledo, Ohio for the SFM chief. Now number 89 is Andrew Stein goes after the 89-3 off with the CJ car. Brian Everett now. Vesco working his way back to the north end. And the 24, Tim Stein. And hooked into Josh Avery, number 27. And those two cars made their tires right in front of the goal on the clock. And they look for some help here getting unhooked. Now, Brian Avery able to unhook Josh. Josh back into action here. Brings this car around. Goes in to him at 303 of John Everett. West side of the arena, dragging that right rear tire. On wheel drive machine, able to Josh Avery, 27 out of the south end of the arena. Behind the front bumper of the SFM machine. Avery piles into Tim Stein now, as Stein tries to refire. Brian Averish trying to get his car. As Tim Stein goes left side of Tim Stein. Brian Averish trying to slip his car in gear. As Tim Stein, Alex Etchko, and Josh Averish. Now the CJ machine of Brian Averish have to break off. Can't give it a go anymore. Here comes Vasco out of the south end. Trying to chase down Tim Stein. Stein can't get a run out. Vasco finds the Josh Averish, 27. Also now the 89. Andrew Stein. Andrew Stein still trying to refire the camo machine. Vasco, 89.3 into the front end of him. Tim Stein trying to swing his red, white, and blue machine around. Here comes Josh Avery to the 27 to pile in. Get the super hit there on Stein and Vasco. Now Avery backs his car to the north end. And the 89 will have to break off here. Tim Stein, or Andrew Stein. Here comes Tim Stein out of the south end of the arena. Slams the front end of the 89.3. Now that might have piled him into the bumper, the 89 of Andrew Stein. Here comes the 24, Tim Stein again in reverse. Again, going to try to continue to pile in as Josh Avery piles into Tim Stein. Now Tim Stein trying to refire his machine. Able to get going. Now the 89.3, Vasco again, trying to unhook himself from the 89 of Andrew Stein. Josh Avery to the 27 makes the contact at the south end of the arena in front of Ryan Markworth. Our final three down at the south end of the arena. And Alex Etchko works into the right front. On the 24, Tim Stein. As Stein tries to refire. Now Josh Avery is going to get a leg or two in. While Stein tries to refire. Now Vasco going to go after Avery into that right side. As Avery hangs on. Now Tim Stein trying to refire the motor, but it dies. As they slip it in gear. Now Avery. And here coming out of that left front tire. Now Josh Avery trying to back up his wagon. Vasco looking over his shoulder. Alex Etchko coming out of the south end arena. Hard into that Josh Avery. As Tim Stein able to refire his motor. And just in time gets a hit on the 89.3. Now here comes Josh Avery all the way down. Hard into that front. Now Vasco into the right side of Avery. Avery now with the motor stalled on his machine tries to refire. Steam starts to roll out of the 24 at Stein. Vasco. As Avery's able to restart, got a left front tire going flat, and he's trying to drag it out of the mud. Now here comes the 89.3. Again, hard into the right side. Vasco spinning the 27 around. Now Stein back up to the north end of the arena. Has to stop his machine and has to try to restart. And Avery. Now Stein back under power.
How is the car moving? I have no idea.
Tim Stein. Red, white, and blue machine right alongside the 89.3. Here comes Avery. Avery again going to go tail to tail with Vasco. Now we get the final three. Now for tips at the north end of the arena. Trying to slip the 89.3 back into gear. Now going to hit him to the north end arena on the gas. Goes after the right front of English. As Tim Stein again tries to refire the right flank of blue 24. Stein able to restart. Now English having problems on his machine. Right side hit again for the 89.3. Back to now, Vasco back down. South end arena, up in gear, fires it up. And safety crews out on hand as they're going to look underneath Josh Averish's 27.
Oh my
and
God.
again, thanks to the Hoagland and Monroeville Fire Departments on hand here tonight. The safety crews part of the program here tonight, helping out at the Hamilton County Fair this Saturday night.
That's cheating.
Hey, Paul, you're supposed to bring marshmallows, Paul.
I'd rather have a chocolate.
And the safety crews take care of the 27. English have the motor refired underneath that machine.
Yeah.
Tim Stein. And we'll send the field back to green here. Tim Stein still tries to refire his 24. And able to do so over the north end. Here comes Vasco now. Vasco up to the north side. Gets the hard into the right front. And again, the motor stalled to the 27. So Vasco will back away as Tim Stein. Again, tries to refire. Gets the hit on the left rear. Here comes Vasco in the 89.3. On the gas and hard into that right rear. Tire.
24's not going to last too much longer.
Vasco again and heads down 70 arena. And back on the gas and the hard into that right side. And gets the hit on Tim Stein. And again, Stein having a lot of the steam pull out of that machine. In front of Cowboy. Stein again able to refire and get the hit. Now this time Vasco goes high on the right front on the 27. Now he's going to break off. So Josh Averish, the Averish boys, will be 5th, 6th, and 3rd here tonight. So Tim Stein and Alex Vasco will settle it now as Vasco tries now to take Stein into that northwest corner here at the Hamilton County Fairgrounds. Now black smoke coming out of the 24. And Vasco going to try to pin into the 20, the red, white, and blue car into the northwest corner. As Steve continues to roll out of that. Now motor stalls, able to refire quickly. And Vasco again, getting the hits in on the number 24, trying to finish him off. Stein trying to get the machine to turn. As the motor stalls again up in the northwest corner, and Vasco again tries to take him into the corner, backs his car away. And trying to finish him off here as again Stein sits in his car. On the clock, Tim Stein up the northwest corner. And trying to get the wires for the ignition of the window area for Tim Stein. And Alex Vasco trying to get the finishing hit.
89.3 is the ball. I knew it.
One more time, Doug.
Looks like it from here.
As Alex Vasco backs into the east side. One more time. Let him hear you as here he comes for the finishing hit on the 24.